Why would your organization be interested in ITIL and assigning you training? Typical reasons include alignment. They're looking for better alignment among your services. What new technology makes possible, and what your customers and users value and need. They want to align all parts of your organization and suppliers around services and processes and around a common language. Language embedded in the ITIL compliant tools you use and around the key outcomes and practices and with the customer via more business-focused metrics.
Another reason: efficiency.
The organization wants to improve staff productivity through less language translation overhead, fewer missteps and pre-work, through shared terminology and practices, and by addressing specific people and process issues. Also in using ITIL to make specific improvements that take cost out of the organization. And then there's reliability. Your organization wants to reduce time spent firefighting, especially for fires caused by our own person. And they want more reliable services, especially in support of mission and business-critical services. So they are looking to ITIL practices for holistic design that allows them to make and keep better commitments. And they ask for the where with all they need to meet those commitments consistently. Agility is also a critical driver for ITIL. Your organization may want to leverage ITIL practices to increase the responsiveness of the organization, including in support and in reaction to major incidents, but also the speed with which they can bring the changes and new capabilities customers need while ensuring quality and continuously improving. And finally, compliance. Your organization may look to ITIL for a ready-made model to support IT governance initiatives and to facilitate meeting regulatory compliance requirements in all jurisdictions in which you operate.